Hi everybody, Dr. Matt here. I just want to walk you through 5 simple stretches before you start getting out there and getting into the garden, because it's getting really beautiful and I know how we all love to garden. So to make sure that we have a successful, injury-free gardening season, I have 5 special stretches for you to do. The first one is going to be easy. We're just going to simply reach up for the sky as high as we can, elongating those back muscles. And then we're going to go from this position, we're going to go down towards the ground to really stretch out the back and the legs. We're going to come on up. We're going to want to get those shoulders loosened up, so we're going to do kind of a crisscross just to get that motion going. Or if you want, you can bring them out to the side and do a twist. Okay. The next one you may be all familiar with yoga is going to be the cat-cow. So we're going to get down on all fours and we're going to arch our backs and we're going to sink back in. Arch up and sink in. Okay, and the last one, we're going to really stretch these hip flexor muscles, which are tied into the low back, which can give a lot of low back pain in gardening. So we're going to put one foot in front of the other. We're going to lean forward with our waist, and we're going to bring our upper torso leaning it back. You're going to feel a nice pull right into the hip flexor. Okay? So try those 5 stretches. Do them a couple times before you get out there. Have an awesome gardening season, injury-free. As you can see, I got my tools here, so I'm ready to head on out.